IMPACT stands for the Individualized Movement in Physical Activity Today program. And it's an adapted physical activity program for children with disabilities. So those children are typically age 6 months to 21. Children come here on Friday nights and work one-on-one with an OSU student.
So you work one-on-one with a student with varying disabilities, from really minor to really severe, and you spend 45 minutes in the pool and 45 minutes in the gym just getting them physically active and really giving them something positive in their week. Just being able to help them definitely just is really, I'd say, impactful. It makes you feel good.
Working with this program, it's a really great opportunity for volunteers to just hone in on their communication skills, on individualizing programs, on working directly with children and their families. It's an opportunity also for the participants to learn from students who are sort of at the cutting edge of doing their degree programs in adaptive physical education. So they're up to date on the science, on new methods, on new technologies, and really new pedagogical approaches. And I think that it's really important for all of us to embrace diversity, and this is a great opportunity to learn more about how physical activity opportunities work and are achieved by participants who have disabilities. I think where it's grown the most and where we have the most growth potential in future years is Impact for Life, our young adult program for adults between 21 and 35 years old. Participants are matched up with OSU students to participate in the program, but they're really engaged in physical activities throughout the community. So that might be a group-based fitness opportunity, or it might be a one-on-one situation, but it's really driven by the interests of the Impact for Life participants and their physical activity goals. We're continuously trying out new pedagogical methods. We're continuously conducting research and just learning more every day. Learning not only from the research that we do, but also the students who are training in the program and learning from their experiences, as well as the participant, their leadership experiences and their general experiences with the program. Undergraduate students can get involved by liaising with their advisors in the College of Public Health and Human Sciences, the Student Success, or the Kinesiology Experiential Learning Coordinator. Graduate students can also be involved in various ways. So we have our kinesiology program has a PhD in kinesiology with an option in adaptive physical activities. So our PhD students are often involved through that avenue. And then we also have a Master's of Adaptive Physical Education. They're doing a lot of hands-on programming, but the administrative part is typically the PhD students who are involved. Directly, the community can get involved by sponsoring our program, and to make a financial contribution, they can do that through the OSU Foundation. But more holistically, the community can really get involved by adopting holistic approaches to accessibility. Our ultimate goal with all of these programs is that they're so successful that maybe we don't need these programs anymore, because the community is inclusive, which it is, but leaning more and more towards inclusion so that participants have opportunities to engage in physical activity in the communities.
If you can tailor stuff to individuals, you can do the entire population without much issue. And everyone deserves that fair and equal education.
There are so many participants where over time we just see their growth and development and their leadership. And I think that those are some of my favorite moments to see, in some cases, like participants taking leadership responsibilities in their group physical activities and demonstrating and teaching new participants who are onboarding into the program how it works, or sharing information that they've learned over time. And I think that is, the community that we ultimately want to embrace. That's one of the reasons why I want to continue doing this program and why I'm involved with this program. And I think for students who are training in this program, so whether they're undergraduate students or master's students or PhD students, they're going to take what they've learned from this opportunity to their future career goals too. And I think that that's really the bigger picture.